Hello, everyone. My name is Devin Shaw, and today's presentation will be about transforming civil engineering project management from waterfall to agile. Today, we confront a significant challenge that affects not only our timelines, but our overall project success rate. Astonishingly, 40% of our projects suffer delays due to a rigid adherence to traditional planning methods. This statistic, instantly merely a number, isn't a clear indication that our current methodologies are failing to keep pace with the dynamic nature of civil engineering projects. In exploring the ramification of these delays, we uncover a multifaceted problem affecting our bottom line, our growth potential, and our standing in the industry. Cost overruns from delays are not just budgetary concerns, they erode our profitability, strain our financial health. Moreover, when our resources are locked in extended projects, we miss out on new ventures, limiting our growth. Perhaps most critically, our ability to deliver on time shapes our reputation. In an industry as competitive as ours, agile methodologies emerge not just as an option, but as a necessity. Agile's core of continuous delivery and rapid adaptability offers us a way to turn these challenges into opportunities for innovation and market leadership. So, impact of delays in civil engineering, increased costs and reduced profitability, which means delays often lead to cost overruns, which directly impact our project profitability. Lost opportunities. Lost opportunities, that happens when delays can cause companies to miss out on new opportunities due to resources being tied up in overdue projects. And lastly, reputation and competitive advantage, which is very key and important. Our reputation in civil engineering industry is often built on its ability to deliver projects on time and within budget. So, what's our vision and purpose? Well, I'm glad you thought about it and you asked. Well, actually, let's start with our vision and purpose. Our statement at Agile Engineering LLC, we envision a future where project management is dynamic, responsive, and tailored to meet the evolving needs of our clients and industry. Now, let's pause and envision a future where not just meeting deadlines, but doing so with enhanced efficiency and client satisfaction, where we reduce project timelines by up to 30%. This is the future achievable with Agile. Unlike the waterfall method, which often leave us scrambling to address overseen challenges, Agile equips us to proactively adapt and evolve. Reinforcing the purpose, the need for a paradigm shift. The purpose of moving Agile is to enhance our organization efficiency, enabling us to navigate the complexities of civil engineering projects with greater agility. It allows us to break down the silos of traditional project management, fostering a culture of collaboration and continuous feedback. This shift is pivotal in reducing our time to market, ensuring that we can respond to and meet client needs with speed and precision that was previously unattainable. Agile methodology overview, the new approach. Agile is more than a buzzword. It's a transformative approach that prioritizes flexibility, customer engagement, and a readiness to embrace change. Through its sprints, Agile empowers our team to deliver work manageable segments, facilitating a dynamic feedback loop with our clients. This is not only inherent about our adaptability, but also deepens our clients' relationship, fostering a collaborative environment where challenges are addressed in real time. By embodying the Agile Manifesto's principles, we're not just changing how we work, we redefine the essence of our projects for the better. So, about the principles, as I mentioned, individuals and interactions, processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, respond to change, following the plan. Our current organization state. Our current state, dictated by the sequential, solute nature of waterfall, presents clear barriers to our success. These barriers manifest as communication breakdown and workflow flexibility directly impacting our project outcomes and client satisfaction. Recognizing these challenges is the first step towards transformation. As we con as we shift towards agile, it's essential to understand that this is more than a change. It's a strategic move towards building a more responsive, client-centric organization. So, communication barriers. That's where the waterfall methodology, with its sequential, not iterative structure, inherently creates distinctive phases that can become siloed. This separation often hinders ongoing communication between different project teams or stages. Inflexible workflows. One of the hallmark limitations of the waterfall approach is its inflexibility. Once a project moves beyond the planning stage, incorporating changes, no matter how necessary they might be, becomes a cornerstone process. Delayed response to clients' needs. The structure phase of waterfall means that client feedback is typically solicited and incorporated at milestones, often leading to a delayed response to involving client needs or market change. So let's go to a case study. So our case study, Project I-59 Bridge, the story of the project serves as a tender example of the pitfalls of inflexible project management. Faced with unforeseen geological challenges, the project's rigid structure under waterfall led to significant delays and cost overruns, highlighting a critical gap in our ability to adapt. This case study is not just a reflection on past mistakes, but a call to action. It illustrates the imperative need for a methodology like Agile, which prioritizes adaptability and fosters an environment where projects can pivot swiftly in response to new insights. So, the outcome. Discussion point. These are crucial points because of this presentation, adhering rigidly to the initial plan resulted in a 3-month delay as the team scrambled to redesign and seek approvals for the new foundation design. So with this project, there was a delay. The delay did not only increase the project cost by 20%, but also led to considerable dissatisfaction from the client, who faced penalties for not opening the bridge to traffic as scheduled. So the discussion point. This case exemplifies how waterfall linear approach can lead to costly delays and client dissatisfaction when unexpected challenges arise. The lack of flexibility to adapt to new innovation, to new information, and to delay integration of crucial feedback underpin many of the methodology drawbacks. So what's the vision and direction from this? I'm glad you asked. Vision and direction charting a new course. As we stand at this pivotal juncture, looking towards the horizon of this industry future, it's clear that the traditional paths no longer serve us. Embracing agile is not merely an operational choice. It's a strategic decision that aligns with our core mission to lead, innovate, and excel in civil engineering. This transition marks a commitment to not only enhance our property delivery, but to fundamentally enrich our organizational culture with the values of agility, collaboration, continuous improvement. Let us then, together, embark on the transforming journey, setting new benchmarks for excellence and redefining what it means to succeed in our field. Transition to Agile. As we chart our course towards Agile from 2024, aiming for complete interrogation by 2026, we're adopting a phased approach to ensure a seamless transition. This is more than a shift in methodology. It's about embracing a new way of working that prioritizes flexibility, efficiency, and customer satisfaction above all. In setting up our Agile framework, we're not just changing tools. We're fundamentally transforming our work culture to boost adaptability and client satisfaction. This involves an evolution of current practices, target training, and a strategic selection of tools and prominent transparency and agility. Our journey to agile excellence is propelled by integrating cutting edge technology that enhances collaboration, transparency, and process efficiency. So, with technology, from instant messaging apps to sharing to documentation, we're ensuring that our teams can communicate and collaborate seamlessly, regardless of physical location, which draws me to communication with our stakeholders, which is very important because stakeholders are more just our clients. They want to be more involved than anything else. So our agile transformation is underpinned by a robust communication plan that ensures every stakeholder is informed, engaged, and in line. Regular updates, inactive training sessions, and open feedback are just the beginning of fostering a culture of transparency and inclusiveness. Tracking progress with KPIs. This is very important as well. By establishing and closely monitoring key performance indicators, we're not just tracking our agile transformation progress. We're ensuring that it delivers tangible improvements in project delivery, efficiency, and client satisfaction. About that, we have sprint burn down rate, we have lead time and cycle time, team velocity, client satisfaction scores. And what that means is with optimized team performance, using KPIs is to identify areas for improvement in team productivity and project execution. Foster a data-driven culture, that's very important. Cultivating an organizational culture that values data and insights in driven project decisions. Addressing current challenges. Transitioning to Agile addresses the core challenges we face with the waterfall method, particularly in rigid and slowly response to change. Agile flexible, Agile, flexible, and inherent in nature allows us to adapt quickly to new requirements, ensuring projects are delivered efficiently and aligned with client expectations. We want to promote flexibility. We want to demonstrate how Agile enables us to pivot quickly in response to project change challenges. We want to reduce project delays, as I mentioned with the case study. We want to showcase Agile's potential to significantly decrease project timeline. Lastly, initiative and lead. Position our organization as a leader in adopting Agile methodologies in civil engineering sector. The Agile advantage. Our move to Agile is more than a strategic choice. It's a commitment to operational excellence, innovation, and staying ahead in a competitive market. The success stories from the industry like JYC Constructions are a testament to the transformation power. And about that, we highlight efficient gains, we showcase innovation, market leadership, build on success stories. Let's start with the first one, highlight efficient gains. What that does is it illustrates how Agile can streamline operations and reduce waste, showcase innovation, sharing examples of how Agile fosters a culture of innovation with teams, market leadership, emphasizing Agile's role in positioning us as a market leaders in civil engineering, build on success stories, drawing inspiration from successful Agile transformation in our industry to inspire confidence. So, to my final slide, it's the call for action. What I want to do is, as a company, we need to encourage participation, emphasize collaboration, vision for the future, commit to continuous improvement. So I want to leave this with you guys. As we stand on the brink of this transformative journey to Agile, I invite each of you to join us with an open mind and a committed heart. Together, we have the unparalleled opportunity not only to just adapt, but to redefine the standards of excellence in civil engineering. And about doing so, inviting all stakeholders to actively participate in the Agile transformation process and vision for the future, sharing a compelling vision for the future for all organization post Agile transformation. But going forward, I leave you with this open mind. That's all I'm asking is for a change, adaptability, agile, efficient. That's call to action. Thank you.